In a tragic late-night incident in Hubballi, an elderly woman was rescued after a sudden fire broke out at her house in Krishnapur Oni area under the old Hubballi police station limits. According to reports, the fire started unexpectedly and quickly spread across the house. Within minutes, the entire house was wrapped in flames, creating panic among local residents. People in the neighborhood rushed out to their homes after seeing the fires. Shockingly, an elderly woman was still trapped inside the burning house. Local residents, realizing the seriousness of the situation, immediately called the emergency helpline 112 for help. Responding quickly to the distress call, the 112 Old Hubballi police team reached to the spot without delay. Without wasting time, the police entered the burning house and managed to rescue the elderly woman safely from inside. However, she had sustained serious burn injuries in the incident, showing swift action and humanity. The 112 police team shifted her immediately in their own vehicle to Kim's Hospital for emergency medical treatment. The incident has been reported under the Old Hubballi police station limits and a case has been registered. Authorities are further investigating the cause of the fire. This brave and timely action by the 112 police team helped save a precious life.